There are two new features in the transcription tool that I'd really like to share with you right now. So let's take a look at this, pull this transcription job up from my drafts, and I'll show you what those two features are. I think they're pretty amazing. Every once in a while, we need to take this speaker right here, and we've got a long, maybe it's a conversation between two people, and we've got a long list, and sometimes they get blended together, and we need to split that. So now we can just put our cursor here, hit return one time, and it gives you a new paragraph with the ability to add the new speaker's name right here. So that's the very first thing, and I think that's a pretty cool tool, and the ability to be able to do that. Just remember to hit it one time. That will help you. And then you can always go in here and change this universally. So if I change this to say this and hit that, it changes all of them here. Okay, the second thing is, and I think this one's really cool too, and that's the ability to add a note right here. And when I add that note, what happens is it moves it to the top of the document. Now watch what happens here. This turns black, so I know I've added a note to it. So if I need to add some notes while I'm building out my transcription, I can do that. Those are two really cool improvements in the transcription tool. I think it's gotten a little faster. There's a lot of other things that have happened that I think are really pretty cool on it, but those two I really wanted to share with you so you could see that. Now real quickly, I'm just going to do this because I want you to see it. I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to move it to the next step. And I'll just open this up in a draft, and you can see this here. Okay, there's my notes. See, I added a note. It's time stamped. I can add a note right here. Notice that the paragraphs have changed, and so you can do those things. That's pretty awesome ability now inside of the transcription tool. I think those will be great improvements to help you, particularly when you're doing podcast transcriptions or video transcriptions where there are two people that are involved. Really be a great improvement to the editing capabilities of the tool. Enjoy this.